Hey everybody, Nichole Fecteau here from Better Homes and Gardens, Masiello. And so my open house got canceled today, and so I had decided earlier this week that I was going to do a little very quick and easy home project because those are very satisfying and don't require a lot of tools, mess, etc. So what I'm doing, and I bet this is going to be backwards on this camera, right? So what I'm doing this weekend, I'll probably just actually do it all within the next hour because this is very easy, is changing out my ceiling lights. You can see these ugly lights, circa, I don't know, 2006 can lights, to LED lights, which is what they're putting in new homes. They're nice, they're flush, they just look better. You don't see the ugly light bulbs. The light bulbs last longer, and considering I have like 4 light bulbs out in my kitchen, embarrassingly enough right now, I thought it was a good idea to do this. So very, very simple if you have existing can lighting. First of all, you can get these packets, these boxes at Home Depot. They make them in 4-inch or 5 or 6 inch. So you have to figure out what size can you have first. The typical, like this is your typical, this is one I've already done. So about the size of my hand. This one I think is a 5-inch one, I'm not sure, but it fits for this kit. So measure real quick, super easy. The next thing you're gonna do, first of all, you need one tool. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I love this. It makes such a big impact. So you're gonna take down your, okay, I guess the ring is built in there. So you're gonna take down from the ceiling. First, you're gonna pull out the inside of this. Well, you're gonna take off your light bulb first. And so, so you're gonna take out this. And then inside here, I don't know if you can see, but you can see up here. This little, whatever this part is, guys, I don't know all the technical jargon for this, but whatever this part is held in by little clips. It's super easy. You just reach up, make sure your lights are turned off, and if you're really freaked out by it, flip off your circuit breaker. I just turned my lights off, but don't do what I do. So you just pinch the things together, pull this out. So now you got an empty hole. Step 2. You're going to take this, you don't even have to do any wiring. You screw it in to where the light bulb was, and then you've got this little pigtail here. This is your other half. So where the screwdriver comes in is that these brackets need to be adjusted based on how big your opening is in your ceiling. So mine is the smallest, that's why I think it's a 5-inch. So legit, just go up there, figure it out. You only have to do one dry fit. And once you've done one, you've done it all. I think once you get on a roll, once you do one of these, it's super easy. So I adjusted, I tightened. You've got this part screwed in up in the hole. You literally just connect these two together, squeeze these bad boys. And some of these cans, now I can't show you what's in the ceiling, because I'm not up there. But some of these cans in the ceiling will have a little bracket, and actually, if you read the instructions, because that's one of those things that I do, it actually shows you, like, there's a bracket up there, you squeeze these little guys together, and it fits into that bracket, and that's what holds it. But really, there's enough tension in there. I don't have that bracket, and I've already put one up. There's enough tension in there that clip that in, make sure all your wires are up, pop that bad boy up. I'm gonna show you one that I already did. I did that one, and the big reveal, it actually works, so it's always fun when that happens. So I'm gonna do the others, and you can see all my light bulbs that I have out in my kitchen because, you know, I've been busy doing other things. So, really quick and easy. For my kitchen, it's gonna be $200, and it makes it's just a really nice modern upgrade. Speaking of horrible lighting, like, how have I lived with that stupid light for, I don't even know, 9 years now? Honest to God, I gotta get rid of that thing. Maybe next. I am good at switching out lights, so I'll probably get these done today. Maybe I'll go buy that and do that tomorrow. But yeah, this is a really easy upgrade. Anybody can do it. If you have a screwdriver and, I mean, a ladder, that's all you need. So, happy projects weekends, beautiful weekend, so get outside also, blah, blah, blah. Talk to you guys later.